Guys, good afternoon, good evening, good morning, wherever you're watching from, please like, subscribe, and share, right? Hit the subscribe button right here. Check this out. It's on Amazon.com. Pick up an ebook called by Just Faithfully Marketing Time Quick. It's all right. It's available there. You should also check it out at St. Teresa's Catholic Church. It's also available at St. Michael's Catholic Church. So stick around for the news. You rock, right?
Maria Biasa Nenketuku, Yabalai Bandinja, Kita Amanoa, Yabalanya, your Nenketuku Jaso, Ayo, I know Yogi Otuku, Kirian Brasa, Nimodai, Carbonian Jabuteluzama, where Mali will have no Christian Mari, Christian Nubia. Whoever will still not be to know we are still a priest to Amen. What's told the Rena, Nawana Monso, what's told the Rena, Nawana Monso, what's told the Rena, Nawana Monso, Pablo Bindini no galaga. Pablo bifaz weekend and dokwa. Amen.
Onye nwanyi nọ n'elu nọ ka Chineke dị ike niile gọzie ụlọ nna na nwa na mmụọ nsọ.
Amen.
Ebere abịara ga-esite na nkwado ndị Love Bite Foods and Limited ndị na-alụpụta Love Bite Bread nọ na nọmba 1 World Street Maduka Road 081 49 82 8254. Everyone at the FM, 24 hours of information, education, entertainment programs, good stuff, good stuff. On everyone at the 103.5 FM. News update on everyone at the 103.5 FM immediately after the 6 o'clock a.m. and the 6 o'clock p.m. weekdays. Stay tuned, updated, to be informed. News updates, live report. Everyone at the FM breaks the news with actuality.
I believe that people are voting for the new Nigeria.
You can as well listen online via mixlr.com/FM.
Good evening and welcome to Ebona, the 103.5 FM News Update. Today, Thursday, the 9th day of May, 2024, and the time is 4 minutes past the hour of 6. Martin Efan Shuku Ekeze is my name. The headlines. ANAMBRA community accuses the President General of running private militia. OT vows to revive Osisoma industrial layout, flags off a strategic 3.5-kilometer road. Stakeholders advocate for press freedom to ensure development in Anambra and Southeast. China criticizes US for ships passage through Taiwan Strait weeks before new leader takes office. Now, details. Anambra community accuses President General of running private militia. The traditional council of Enugu Agede in Anambra State, led by the monarch Igwe Michael Chidozie Okeke, has accused the President General of the community, Chukwuebuka Honora, of running a private militia. The council called on Anambra State Governor Professor Chukwuma Soludo to intervene to avoid a breakdown of law and order. Representatives of the traditional ruler of the community, led by his personal secretary, Chief Ifeanyi Ndube, who were at the Anambra State Government House to meet with the Commissioner for Local Government, Chieftaincy and Community Matters, told journalists that the town has become unsafe. Ndulwe said, "We are here to inform our community." Last month, we saw pictures of people in our village wearing security uniforms and a security van being handed over to them by our President General, and we were told that the President General created and armed the military against the directive of the state. This is his personal security, and he armed them. Meanwhile, the President General has insisted that the security outfit is that of the entire community and nothing personal to him. Oti vows to revive Osisioma industrial layout, flags off strategic 3.5-kilometer road. Abia State Governor Mr. Alex Oti has said that the moribund Osisioma industrial layout will be reactivated in the next 12 months with the reconstruction of the artillery road leading to the estate, NMPC depot, and beyond. Oti gave the assurance yesterday when he flagged off the reconstruction of the 3.5-kilometer Osisioma Ekapara Road, which links the industrial layout to Rivers, Imo, and other neighboring states. He said that the reconstruction of the road was in continuation of the ongoing consultancy efforts of his administration to transform the infrastructural landscape of Aba, the commercial and industrial nerve center of Abia. The Osisoma Road is considered among the strategic roads in Aba as it provides access to the NMPC depot, industries, and other business outfits in the industrial layout. The deterioration and eventual collapse of the road made the Osisoma industrial layout as inaccessible, leading to the closure or relocation of many industries in the area. No fewer than 5 banks also shut down their branches in the area. The Abia State Governor lamented loss of big businesses operating at Osisioma Industrial Estate not only led to loss of jobs and means of livelihood, but also loss of faith in Aba as the center for commerce and industry. Stakeholders advocate for press freedom to ensure development in Anambra. Last week, the world celebrated the 2024 World Press Freedom Day as the federal government has restated its commitment to protect the rights of journalists and promote responsible journalism in the country. The Minister of Information and National Orientation made this note in his remarks at the ministerial press briefing to celebrate the day on Friday in Abuja. Despite this promise, media practitioners in Nigeria continue to face harassment, threats, and even illegal detention in the course of their work. Meanwhile, stakeholders continue to advocate for freedom of the press as this is going to hasten development in Anambra State, Southeast, and Nigeria. Here is a report. Please take a listen. Despite the promises, media practitioners in Nigeria continue to face harassment, threats by non-state and state actors, and even illegal detention, all kinds of difficulty in the job of gathering and disseminating information. On Friday, 3rd day of May 2024, during World Press Freedom Day celebration, the federal government promised to give journalists unlimited access to information concerned citizens who knows the importance of the journalists to the development of the society, continue to encourage the government and Nigerians to enable journalists to carry out their duties without fear or favor. The founder of Jesus Abandoned Charity Forum for Rifite, Reverend Father Anthony Shedi Anamwa, laments the poor state of journalists in Nigeria.
When then as so many when over in charge of the Mojene men of so I wouldn't feel a now for out the Charocha politically. And I met a attack, then a quiz open up. And not only been a man now up bottom, he is my if the Ibama, the bell way out. So na ọrụ ọma ka ndị press na ekwesịrị inyefe aka.
Nigeria is one of West Africa's most dangerous and difficult countries for journalists who are regularly monitored, attacked, and arbitrarily arrested, as was in the 2023 general elections. Yet, stakeholders believe that if we uphold the Constitution, the freedom of the press will be ensured, as the Constitution of Nigeria protects the freedom of expression and opinion. A stakeholder, Igwe Dr. Martin Sugu, Igwe Otabilionye 1 year one. A stakeholder, Igwe Dr. Martin Sugu, Igwe Otabilionye 1 year one of Owerri-Ezioba Autonomous Community in Nsukka, Enugu State, believes that free press will improve Nigeria in social, cultural, civil, and economic development.
Na ashipụ dị na mbara anya rinne omezie so ana jump some protocol so na imebe ka imese ka o kwesị ịma na nwa malụ so ana jump ife ụfọdụ wee na-eme na ya bụ na gịnị na a na-eme akọbata ife ụfọdụ so na ana m achapụ ike na ọdịrị izi ọ bụrụ ka ọ dị na 80s ka ọ dị kịta so na ndị journalist na-alụ ọrụ a na-alụ ya wute obi ya na-arụkwa nke nwere ike ịlụ.
However, Igwe Dr. Martins Ugu, lauded Governor of Enugu State, His Excellency Dr. Peter Mba, for his good work in Enugu State.
His Excellency Honorable Barrister Peter Mba, Ndubisi Mba, onye eje mma. Nwana nwoke bụ Honorable Ifeanyi Lawrence Ogwuanyi, ọrụ ọrụ fọrọ ka ya Peter Mba tizi aka na arụzi kịta. Ọrụ gọvanọ nke gara aga lụrụ ma mma mana Peter Mba batara n'alụ mana ọzọmọkwa ya n'ọrụ na-alụ gosi na ọ ga-eme karịa yes eso etu anya so anyị nwe ka Chineke ma ya bụ nwata ume ka ọ lụọ ọrụ na Enugu steeti ka Enugu dịrị ya mat.
From Oraifite, Ekwusigo local government area of Anambra State, Martin Ifeanyichukwu Ekezie reporting. Now we move over to the foreign scene. China criticizes U.S. for ships passage through Taiwan Strait weeks before new leader takes office. Taiwan, China's military criticized the U.S. destroyer's passage through the Taiwan Strait, which occurred less than 2 weeks before the island's new president takes office, and while Washington and Beijing are making uneven efforts to restore regular military exchanges. Navy Senior Captain Li Shi, spokesman for the Eastern Theater Command, accused the U.S. of having publicly hyped the passage of the USS Hesse on Wednesday. In a statement, Lee said the command, which oversees operations around the strait, organized naval and air forces to monitor the ship's transit and handle matters in accordance with the laws and regulations. The Navy's 7th Fleet said the Hesse conducted a routine Taiwan Strait transit on May 8 through water where high seas freedom of navigation and overflight apply in accordance with international law. Although the heavily transited strait is international waters and vital to global trade, China considers the passage of warships from the US, Britain, and other nations through the Taiwan Strait as a challenge to its sovereignty. China sends Navy ships and warplanes into the strait and other areas around the island almost daily to wear down Taiwan's defenses and seek to intimidate its 23 million people who firmly back their de facto independence. This is where we draw the curtain on news update on Ebona, the 103.5 FM. But before we leave, a quick look at the headlines. Anambra community accuses the President General of running private militia. Oti vows to revive Osisioma industrial layout, flags off strategic 3.5-kilometer road. Stakeholders advocate for press freedom to ensure development in Anambra Southeast. China criticizes U.S. for ships passage through Taiwan Strait weeks before new leader takes office. Use clothes and towel, handbag use, student ID card belonging to University of Benin, one bowl and cup. He was found in a public vehicle shuttle bus that took off from Head Bridge heading to Toll Gate. He was found April 2024. Anybody who is looking for this should come to Ebona, the 103.5 FM to lay claims to them. Here is also announcement about a missing person, a child with Down syndrome, around 8-9 years, a boy. He cannot communicate his identity. He was found at Ipuru village, Umoji, around 11. Just listen to news update on Ebona, the 103.5 FM. News produced and read by Martin Ifeanyi Chukwu Ekeze. Thank you for listening. Good evening.
Listen to news updates on Ebona, the 103.5 FM immediately after Angelus, 6 o'clock a.m. and 6 o'clock p.m. weekdays. Stay tuned to be updated, to be informed. News updates, live reports. Ebona, the FM breaks the news with actualities.
And the link that people are hoping for a new Nigeria.
You can as well listen online via mixlr.com/GistFM.
If you know your history, then you will know where you are coming from. And in whatever you do, seek wisdom. Knowledge is power. Inugo Maka, the book, Hip Hop and Igbo Culture, authored by Martin Ifeanyi Chukwu Ekeze as ANAMBRA the First. Metal of Ebona, the 103.5 FM. There is a great insight in hip hop and Igbo culture. You can get this book or pick it up at a bookshop in St. Teresa's Catholic Church, Omonia, or at Ebona, the 103.5 FM Ogidi. You can also get this book at the Catechist office in St. Michael's Catholic Church, Abacha, or you go to www.amazon.com, search for Hip Hop and Igbo Culture by Martin Ifeanyi Chukwu Ekeze. For further information on how to get this book, please call 080-3916-7049 or your WhatsApp 080-6579-6599.
How best can we talk about the challenges we are having on our streets? Our in general, street report. If we do not address these challenges on Ebona the FM, who will, as the happenings around us get as complicated as they can be.
Our government,
Whatever street report is here to make sense of it all. Street report is causing social change across your streets. In your community, street report is here with hardcore journalism to get to the roots of our problem. Why don't you join me, Martin Ifeanyi Chukwu as ANAMBRA the First, every Friday, 4:30 p.m. on Ebona, the 103.5 FM as street reports unfolds
in your face.
On Martin Ebona the corner
24/7, 24/7.
Man is a political animal. That's why we all have our views on politics. Political View comes to you at Ebona, the 103.5 FM with Martin Ifeanyi Chukwu Ekeze every Monday, 3 o'clock p.m. to 4:30 p.m. and Saturday, 10 a.m. to 11:30 a.m. It's all about the day-to-day activities in the Nigerian political space. Views of political actors from various political parties on political process. Views of labor leaders, and most importantly, your views. Views of the common Nigerian. Tune in to Ebona, the 103.5 FM, or you join online via .com/GistFM every Monday and Saturday. What are your political views? Keep a date.
Shay, one them say no more. Ebony is in Agbada Igbo, now Anambra State in a jet, one of the Jebena residency hotels, Leofino, Gidi,
One night in the mechi on the monk with the manzo, one day, if at the mother, one it's ever but on a room I was going to go you, where you see luxuriously polished rooms and suites at the moment, one day, but even at their kitchen. On the one is see Fanny when you can see if it is safe, if you care. Even one of their outdoor arena where you can even have all types of events from wedding down to birthday party from Nana Men. And for a very clean swimming pool of one residency hotels, giving ordinary a very serene and secured environment at kilometer 13 Old Onitsha Enugu Express Road. You can also call them for reservation on 081 40 933 512. Residency Hotels, the Ofino Kidi. If I can ever not, the one say no more.
Ladies and gentlemen.
Okay, guys, thank you. Like, subscribe, and share. Right, hit the subscribe button right here. Check this out. It's on Amazon.com. Keep up and Igbo culture by yours faithfully, Martin in Fine Quickly. All right. It's also available at St. Teresa's Catholic Church, Omoni. Also available at St. Michael's Catholic Church, Abacha. Thank you.